In this video, I am going to show you how to add products to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So log into your Wix website dashboard and then from the top just search for Wix stores and then select it Wix stores from here. And after that just click on add to site as it is free to install. After that we are going to click on go to dashboard and it will take us to the dashboard of our Wix website. And now on the left menu we will see another option, that is store products, and under it we will see the products menu. So these are the dummy products that are automatically added to our Wix website after adding Wix stores app to our website. So we can edit and use these products as well, or we can add new products to our website as well. If you want to edit any product, just select the product and it will open up. Now you can change its image from here. After that you can change the name of product from here. You can change its description from here, and you can edit other sections as well, like product info, return and refund policy, shopping info, etc. After that you can set the price of your product and then click on save. But if you want to add your own new products to your store, then from the top just click on new product, and from here you can select physical or digital product. We will go with the physical product. Now we can add our product name here. After that we can add an image for our product. Then we can add title, description and pricing for our product, and after that from the top just click on save, and in this way our new product will be added to our Wix website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.